Oh, wait. Get this. Oh, wait. Let me get it back on this thing. Hold on. Kind of in the sun, so you really can't see it. Oh my goodness. Okay, wait. Wait, it's hot. I don't think this is mine. There are tomatoes on here. Oh, look at nice. Okay. Making you hungry. Mmm. Mmm. It's too hot to eat. Oh my God. We drove like an hour. We drove here an hour. Where are we? Tell them where we at.
Big Day Cheesesteaks?
What part of town?
I don't say Dunwoody.
I don't think this is my sandwich.
It's the only one that got. That's the only one with one rich something on it.
Is it all just so finely chopped?
That's probably what it is, because he was chopping for a while. Because yours say with onions. WTO.
How does WTO mean with onion?
Because that's what they say with. That's the onion.
Where are the tomatoes and the mushroom?
And the mushroom on there?
Mm-hmm. I want to stop eating and figure it out, but I can't. Let me see that. Let me show that. So she has this cheesesteak. What do you call this thing? Egg roll. Philly cheesesteak egg roll. We got some fries. Got some fries. And you've been waiting to try this sandwich like for how long?
Probably over a year.
And so we finally made it up here. French fries. So we finally made it up here. And the only comparison I have for a cheesesteak is the old school Atlanta hoagie, right? So I don't know what y'all doing in Philly. This is supposed to be the next best thing. It's good. I don't know that I'm eating the right sandwich, but it's good.
I don't know. He's from Philly.
Well, tell the story. You're not on the camera.
He's a dude from Philly that came down here.
Mm-hmm.
Open Cheesesteak place.
So the guy from Philly came down to Atlanta. Oh, best Philly cheesesteak in